All right, before we go mudding, we have to be ready to mud. Here we have your classic mudding outfit. You have the shorts, $10 at Old Navy. Old Navy $5 t-shirt. $20 shoes from Target, off-brand Nikes. Most important thing is the American hat. Because I bleed red, blue, and black. Where are we going, Andrew?
Well, Bruce, we're going to Disney, Oklahoma to drive off the road. Some people call that off-roading. Some people call it stupid. What do you call it?
I call it mudding.
Yeah, there will probably be some mud.
Am I going to drown today?
Hopefully not.
Because that's one of my biggest fears is drowning.
Is drowning?
Yeah.
Okay, well you can just stay in the Jeep and I'll park in water.
Perfect. And nature. Are we going to see a lot of nature today?
There will be a lot of nature. Is this the most redneck adventure you've had?
It is actually. I'm from the city, so this isn't my cup of tea. But I came prepared. I have my country hat, my red, white, and blue. Get those colors in. Because, you know, we're true warm-blooded Americans, you know? We bleed red, white, and blue. What?
I bleed red.
Getting out of his car is like a freaking mountain. What the heck? Here it is. Nature. I'm in it. Look at that. That's a tree. Yeah, over there. Over there, that tree right there. That is one. Nature update. I think something bit me on the back of my leg. It itches a lot. Update over.
You want me to back up?
Nah, I'll climb. Here we go. Nailed it. Nature boys. Nature boys. Nature boys. Nature. Welcome to Jurassic Park. There it is. Oh, I don't remember this in Jurassic Park. That's comforting.
All right, Bruce, tell me what you think of this place.
Well, what you see here, we have a fireplace. We can fix that.
Yeah, Joanna Gaines gonna come in and put a mantle on that.
Yeah, just put some nice mahogany wood around the fireplace with some nice regular clay bricks. See, you have a nice little chair that can go great right here.
How many scary movies have you watched, Bruce?
Enough to be afraid of this place. Have a nice big wood door right there. Yeah.
Open lighting.
Open lighting, just light some natural light. Just plug in. This
That's
is the
fine.
master bedroom. You gotta get used to the nature around, but you know, it's nice and secluded. If you died out here, nobody would know.
Is that what you want?
No.
I would want someone to know.
So it has some things you have to work out, but overall, I'll give this house a solid 8 out of 10. It goes very cheap on the market. I'll say about $10,000 and it's yours. The key to finding a good rock is to make sure it's as flat as possible. This is a good one. This one's going to skip real well. Nailed it. That'll be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I'm filming an ending, so don't judge me or look at me. So that'll be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm still very afraid of nature and drowning, so I have both things I'm afraid of right here in this video. But thank you so much for watching. If you want more of this stuff, like the video, subscribe or whatever, I don't care. I'm still gonna make it. So if you hate it, you hate it. Oh, make your